right, so, wait. A little frame repairs happened. That's not a big deal. It's behind anything major. Yeah, we know that's crusty. That's every Mustang on Earth. A little crispy, but it's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Pull our drum. Everything in there looks fairly fresh.
Yeah, I mean, that looks really good.
Brakes look good. But our hub is our problem. How much play you got on that, buddy? That's not bad.
Right. Quarter inch?
I think we're okay. For something that's not a posi, I think we're all right.
That's a lot of play to me, though.
Let me see.
I mean, because there's quarter inch of play before that'll even bump.
Okay. That's what I got between. That's maybe an eighth.
Okay, now hold that.
Go.
Ready? How much play do you have?
No, you're moving. It's not as much as we thought it was. It's all right. I think we're okay. I don't think we need to worry about this right now. I think it'll hang for a while.
Okay.
It's an open diff. It's gonna have a little play. It's
Maybe that's why.
spider gears, all that. I think we're all right. Okay, so never hurt to check. It only took 5 minutes.
I prefer to be wrong and save someone money than, oh shit, well, why didn't you do that? And, you know.
Yeah, then we're in trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything in here looks nice too. All the brakes, all the hardware, everything's nice, clean. Looks good. All right, let's pop it back together quick. But we do need to address this drive shaft, so we're going to need to converse about that. But you already saw that video.